Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create animated GIFs in Canva. We'll walk through a clean, repeatable process so you can turn simple designs into smooth, looping GIFs that are perfect for social media, emails, or your website. Animated GIFs are a fantastic way to catch your audience's attention, whether you're promoting a new product on your Shopify store, sharing a tutorial, or just adding some fun motion to your content. First, open Canva and create a new design. For the best control over timing, start with a video template or create a new video project. This gives you a timeline and separate pages, which act like frames in your animation. If you're unfamiliar with video projects, don't worry, Canva makes it super intuitive. By using a video project, you get the exact dimensions and format you need for your GIF. Pick a size that matches where your GIF will live, square for feeds, wide for banners, or any custom dimensions you need. If you're creating GIFs for social media, square works well for Instagram, while wide formats are ideal for website headers or banners. Next, add your content. Each page is a frame, so think in steps. What should appear first, second, and so on. Drop in your images, text, icons, or shapes. The goal here is to make sure each page flows naturally into the next. Keep your layout consistent so the motion feels intentional and fluid. For example, if you're showing off a product, you might want to animate a text overlay with "Shop Now" that smoothly appears and then fades out. If you want small changes between frames, like a line of text or an icon shifting, duplicate the page and tweak only what needs to move. This technique makes the animation smoother and easier to manage. You can also use this strategy to avoid overcomplicating things while still creating dynamic effects. Now, let's animate individual elements. Click an element, then hit Animate to explore effects like fade, pop, or pan. These are simple animations, but they can really bring your design to life. Choose one animation style and stick with it for a cohesive look across your GIF. For example, if you're showcasing a product on your Shopify store, try using the pop effect to make your product image stand out. Many effects let you adjust direction, speed, or intensity, so dial them in to match your brand's tone. If your brand is playful, you might want quicker animations with a bit of bounce. Subtle movements usually read best in GIF format, as too much movement can distract from your core message. After that, adjust the timing. Click the page and set its duration. Something like 0.5 seconds per frame creates a snappy pace, while longer durations allow more reading time for text. If you're adding text to the GIF, be mindful of how long it stays on screen to ensure your viewers have enough time to read it. For example, if you're displaying product prices or promotions, giving your text a bit more time, around 1 to 2 seconds, will help make sure the message is clear. If your frames follow a similar rhythm, apply the same duration to all pages to keep things consistent. A predictable cadence helps the GIF loop naturally without feeling disjointed. Add transitions between pages using the transition icon. Transitions help smooth the shift from one frame to the next, creating a more polished animation. Short transitions create a smooth flow without feeling sluggish, while longer ones can be used for more dramatic effects. Keep them consistent and brief so the animation doesn't drag. For example, you could use a dissolve transition for a soft fade between your product shots, keeping the flow light and seamless. Preview your work by hitting the play button. Watch for pacing, legibility, and any abrupt jumps. If a moment feels too fast or too slow, fine-tune the page durations or simplify the animations. It's normal to iterate here until the loop feels clean. Adjusting the timing and transitions is key to achieving the right vibe for your GIF. This is where you can really get creative, testing different speeds or transitions until it feels just right. When you're happy with the result, it's time to export. Click Share, then Download, and choose GIF as the file type. Make sure to select GIF because it's optimized for looping animations and lightweight file sizes. You can pick specific pages if you don't need the entire sequence, and adjust the size if you want a smaller file, which can be especially helpful for faster loading times on websites or emails. Download your GIF, and you are ready to share it anywhere that supports looping animations, like your Shopify product pages, social media posts, or email marketing campaigns. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you create eye-catching, smooth GIFs that grab attention and engage your audience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful design tips.